Hello guys, it's Johnny Time and today we will learn in this decentralized finance tutorial how to stake Wonderland Time tokens in order to generate and get more time, high yields. As you can see right now the API is around 90,000%. It's almost 10% every 5 days, which is 2% every day, which is insane. And today we'll see how we can practically buy time token and stake it. And if this is something that's interesting for you and you find this video useful, then you can subscribe and click the bell notification button to be exposed to more decentralized finance tutorial and passive income tutorials. In order to stake time, if you want, you can also go to the documentation of Wonderland Money by clicking here the docs button, and then you have the tutorial of staking. But here I'm gonna guide you through the process and make it simpler for you. So the first step that you want to do is go some time tokens on traderjoexyz.com, which is the biggest decentralized exchange of Avalanche ecosystem. Wonderland Time is the Olympus DAO version of Avalanche, which means that it lives on the Avalanche ecosystem. And in order to get time tokens, most of the liquidity will be inside Trader Joe, which is the biggest exchange on Avalanche. Also, this is Wonderland Time, also on Avalanche. And actually, Wonderland Time is not a DEX. It's only a staking. You have the staking feature and the mint feature, but it's not a DEX where you can swap tokens and buy time tokens. In order to buy them, you have to go to Trader Joe. Let's say I want to buy 0.1 with 0.1 Avax some time tokens. And there you go, guys. You can buy with your Avax tokens or any other tokens on Avalanche, on the Avalanche ecosystem. You can buy time tokens. And here we're going to swap some Avax with time. I'm going to reduce the slippage tolerance to 0.1 because I see that the price impact is quite low, 0.01, and swap my Avax tokens to time. This is the first step. After this transaction will be executed, you will have some time tokens on your MetaMask wallet on Avalanche. Let's see. You can view the transaction on Snowtrace, and you can see right now that it's still indexing, and there you go, it's success. I got $7, $8 of time token. Now, in order to stake it, I will need to go to Wonderland Money Time, then to the stake option, click here the stake, click max. Let's try to refresh the page. By the way, this staking feature is auto compounding feature. As you can read it right here, when you stake your time, you're basically getting some memo tokens, memories tokens, and these tokens are automatically compounded. So when you withdraw, you give back your memory tokens and you get time, you will have more time than you deposited in the beginning. So this is super cool. It's very, very similar to the auto cake compound pool on PancakeSwap. If you're familiar with this, I'm gonna stake it here right here. This is the time token that I just purchased. First, we will approve the transaction on the smart contract, so we'll be able to spend it. So the staking contract will be able to spend my time tokens. And once the approve will be done right now, then we can stake it. Now that the approve has been done, I'm going to click here stake time and send another third transaction in order to stake it. So the first transaction was to actually buying time on Trader Joe. Second transaction to approve the smart contract to spend my time tokens. And the third transaction is actually staking the time in the pool. And right here now we can see that I have some balance staked in the pool, and anytime I can click here and unstake it by clicking here, unstake, max. I will have to refresh the page. So anytime you have some issues with the UX, try to refresh the page and then it's supposed to be just fine. And there you go, guys. Now you can see that my time has been staked. It moved from balance to your staked balance. And now I sent my time tokens to the smart contract and got memo tokens. Now, anytime I can click here, unstake, click max, and then unstake and get back my time tokens, sending my memo tokens to the smart contract. And of course, I will have more time tokens because the yields are compounded. So it depends how much I put my money in the pool. If you want to unstake, you just click here max and unstake time. And that's the exact same thing as staking. Thank you so much for watching my videos and learning with me. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and you learned something and it helped you, consider subscribing and clicking the bell notification button. Also smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.